I love you all, and I have to tell the truth. There is a force, subtle and unseen, that moves through humanity. Not a devil, not Lucifer, but a presence that drifts through lies, whispers, and screens. It cannot touch the spark, the divine light in each of us, but it tries. Leaders rise, influence spreads, memes, posts, AI images, and spectacles distract the people while greed grows. Yet the spark, the light in every heart, remains untouchable. Numbers flash, headlines scream, unemployment and job revisions pulse across screens. 75,000 revised, 21,000 jobs lower than expected. Every statistic used to distract from what truly matters. Even amidst chaos, some hold authority and moral responsibility. The California National Guard returns to full strength, taking action to protect communities, seizing fentanyl and restoring order. Leaders post, meme, debate, but courage and truth can still shine through the spectacle. The spark cannot be bought, cannot be sold, cannot be stolen. It whispers, remember who you are, who we are, together. All else, the lies, the inherited power, the spectacle, the greed, is only a distraction from the truth. Forces of manipulation and deceit have existed since before we were born. Names, titles, offices, followers, they come and go. But the light is eternal, and that is where our hope, our love, our unity, and our truth lies. I love you all, and I have to tell the truth.